Hello everyone, my name is Mikey Mike. I just wanted to first of all congratulate you on taking your big, massive step to creating your own business. I'm currently in the military. I've been in the military for about 6 years, and don't get me wrong, I love it. But the paycheck to paycheck, doesn't exactly cover everything that I want or need. I have a beautiful wife and a brand new born son, and I want to spend more time with them. I want to be able to go out, do more things. I want to give them a life of a lifetime. So that's why I decided to go with affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, basically what you need is just your time, your effort, learning, passion, and basically that's it. You don't have to have physical products. You don't have to actually be out there to face people, talk face to face. So if you're not that type of person, then affiliate marketing might just be for you. Like I said, I'm sitting here at home on my time off, even though I could be here for only an hour or 2 hours, I could still get a lot more work done. So it works for your hours, whatever time of day that you have on or off, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whenever. It's anytime, any place. All you have to do is have a computer, know what you're doing, and just work on it for an hour or two, and you can make tons of money. So that's what I'm doing right now. With this program, 3-day challenge, that's all you have to do is take the 3-day course and boom, you are starting your 6-figure business. So now, let me tell you what I want to do. I want to introduce you to my mentor, Jonathan Montoya, who was able to quit his engineering job in 9 months. He's going to show you exactly how he built a 6-figure business within 3 days of this challenge. So this is a call to action. Click the button below to get access to the video and how to get started today. Because I can guarantee you follow these steps, and in the next 3 days, you'll be standing right here starting your 6-figure business.